Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK's world's first AIO targeted towards direct die CPU cooling. So friend, EK has unveiled a groundbreaking addition to its AIO lineup, the EK-Nucleus AIO CR360 Direct Die D-RGB, focus on direct die CPU cooling. This trailblazing product, the first of its kind of the industry, marks a significant milestone in cooling system and the latest Direct Die AIO by closely resembling the acclaimed 360mm Lux model in many ways, stand apart with its unique application and it's expertly designed for direct die cooling. And friend, this innovation pump block combo distinguishes itself with a custom designed cold plate exclusively engineered for cooling delidded Intel LGA 1700 socket CPUs, and EK's latest offering expands its estimated AIO portfolio and sets a new benchmark in specialized cooling performance. This unique AIO cooling solution is bringing the advantage of direct light cooling to more PC enthusiasts since delidding was mainly reversed for custom loop liquid cooling applications and it required a complete custom loop setup which was not affordable or attractive to every user. And EK is bringing direct die cooling to mainstream market, and the direct die AIO now guarantees a seamless experience and a more budget-friendly entry into direct die cooling. And friend, two unique pump block covers are included with this product. Default one has a brushed aluminum skull with an elegant circle of LED lighting that shines through, gives it an edgy but mature look, and the alternative brushed aluminum cover also features an LED circle but offers a more minimalistic appearance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.